Lagu dari Langit kini dikenali sebagai Kinabalu Podcast.
Hi, I'm Charlie Puth.
This is Ed Sheeran.
Farid PF, okay, click guys. What up?
So, Fan di sini sebenarnya budak biasa aja yang dilahirkan di Ranau.
Jangan lupa subscribe YouTube channel Lagu Dari Langit.
Ada Elvin MY.
Jadi orang sedang buat benda yang sangat bagus.
Hey, si Aidil Bani di sini kau tidak apa? Oke.
Saya Gilson Yanggun.
Apps editor yang Patrick pakai tadi.
Yo, what up people, this is Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah, hosted by Ricardo, Kenny and Faizal.
Apa dia tulis dalam papan tadi itu?
Vaksin, mana mau dapat vaksin ni? Podcast ini dibawakan oleh orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jipun.
Follow Johan's Journey at Lagu Dari Langit channel on YouTube.
Subscribe, like and share. Juga follow IG Johan di Instagram.
Selain itu, podcast ini juga ditaja oleh NSST Official.
Get all the premium original products or goods by sending them a DM at NSST Official IG.
Untuk cucian pinggan mangkuk yang terbersih, dapatkan sabun Tuklin, sabun cuci dan pinggan mangkuk pertama di Kota Marudu.
Please DM us on Facebook to get a promo price of RM10 for 3 dishwashing liquid from Tuklin.
Sambal Lada Power, please PM us on Facebook to get Sambal Lada Berapi by Cik Non.
Ingat nama Kinamas Auto jika anda inginkan jentera berat ataupun ringan. PM mereka di Kinamas Auto Beaufort on Facebook.
Your number one beauty product in Sabah, Lux Blossom. Check out their Facebook page, Lux Blossom HQ today.
Now, on to the show.
3 lelaki, 2 bapa, 1 bujang. Podcast pertama paling lit, tiada kurang.
Di Sabah nombor 1 yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana.
Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi punchline lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat, mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk pool. Kadang kami carut sama macam 3 Abdul.
Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid.
Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao bella ciao, ciao bella ciao.
Yo, Assalamualaikum, what up people? This is Ricardo.
This is Kenny and
Dan kami dari... Hey,
where's Faizal?
Oh yeah, mana Faizal lah? Okay, Faizal dah dapat lagi join kita pada kali ini.
Ya,
Pada kali ini tu bahasa apa tu?
pada kali ini
Ngapa tu? Baku sangat lah
baku
gua.
sangat. Kenapa ni?
Itu tak baku.
Tiba.
Kau tak gerek siap.
Syah.
Well, anyway, saya Ricardo.
I'm Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah. Dan kami bertemu anda di season 4 episod yang ke-8 di part yang pertama ini.
Yes, and part yang pertama ini sangat-sangat interesting lah.
Tapi sebelum kita pergi sangat-sangat interesting kau tu,
Kita cari
Enggak lah, belum cari. Kita mau do a little bit of shout out and
oh yeah, shout out. Yes.
We are going to do a little bit of shout out di mana kita sebenarnya ada pendengar-pendengar daripada Singapura.
We got fans, guys.
We got fans from Singapura, we got listeners from Singapore.
Yeah, man.
So we want to do a little bit of shout outs kepada yang ada buat orang bilang ada repost kita, ada juga DM kita.
Quite a lot.
So yeah. So
Well,
let's
hear them.
we got listeners. Specifically kita ada from Erna Mok Simply. Simply SMPLY. I don't know how
Smart
to.
nama dia.
Simply or Simply maybe ya.
Simply maybe.
Erna Mok Simply or Erna Mok Simplify. Wow.
Ooh, Spotify.
Spotify.
sorry.
All the way
We're playing.
from
Singapore,
man.
Wow,
Kita
man.
juga ada beberapa. Kalau kita tengok kita punya Insta stories yang kena repost few weeks ago, kita ada from I think Kamal Ershad. We got from Kamal Ershad. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Kena
much.
repost I think a few more. Let me just look onto it.
Reposted our stories.
Yeah,
kan?
reposted our
Wow.
stories. I think kita ada Kamal Irsyad lagi. Okay, hold on. Let me check it out. Apa lagi ada buat Insta stories kita. And I don't know. I think he also are from Singapore juga.
Oh, quite a lot from Singapore.
Yeah.
Wah.
And of course Zal pun ada repost.
Yeah. Raja.
I couldn't
Razi
find
pun
it
ada.
here, but it's okay. We're just gonna say it in general lah. Thank you very much guys for listening to
Thank
us.
you so much.
Yeah, we are trying so very hard to be to tell the world about Sabah dengan cara kami sendirilah.
Yes, with our own way.
To be like, okay, let's go is very hard
Sangat susah.
because there are semua orang tu adalah yang sangat-sangat terbaik di industri.
And they are trained in the trade.
Yeah, of course. Dia orang pun ex-DJ lagi.
Itulah.
Kan?
Baru-baru ni saya
Kau ex-convict. Saya ex PDC.
What? Orang baru saya
Okay.
pergi check macam mana untuk jadi DJ, what the training you have to go through.
Okay.
That was like,
Tell me.
wow, there's a lot of things you have to do.
Oh, really?
And then there was an episode.
Contoh.
Contoh pronunciation training pun ada juga.
Mm-hmm.
And then ada this one particular episode from Okay Let's Go juga. I think it was last year punya episode. They were talking about apa ni DJ punya kursus semua tu macam mana semua tu.
Like presenter, hosting and
And then ada satu one particular one dia
apa
sebut.
tajuk tu?
I forgot which one, tapi ada dia sebut buaya biawak tu.
Oh, itu pun training juga.
Itu training juga. But then I think it was Din.
Oh,
Yang
tapi
pergi training
biawak ni saya ingat dari kecil sudah ada kan?
Buaya biawak.
Yeah. What I mean, itu tongue twister begitu bah. Dari kecil lagi sudah ada.
Oh serius ah?
Yeah, I think when sudah dong start kasih kena ataupun ular lari lurus gitu bah.
Oh, I cannot
Okay,
do that.
you can try?
Ular lari lurus.
Okay, faster.
Ular lari lurus. My Chinese slang is stopping me from doing that. Ular lari lurus.
Oh yeah.
La.
Kenny ni dia Chinese ni. Dia half Chinese lah.
Yeah,
Half
sometimes.
Chinese, half nigga.
What?
Well, anyway guys, Faizal nak dapat join kita lagi for some circumstances. Dia ada
Hopefully everything's okay.
hopefully everything is okay with Faizal.
We miss you, bro.
Yeah,
Come
kami
back soon.
Dia sepatutnya ada, tapi dia mungkin last minute ada something lah kan.
Kami sudah wakil kau makan lah tadi sikit.
Sikit kah banyak. We want to say juga hari tu kita ada doakan kepada kawan kita ni Raja Razi.
Yeah.
The father passed away this morning.
Yeah.
Al-Fatihah buat Allahyarham bapa kepada Raja Razi ni.
Salam takziah.
Takziah
bro.
diucapkan, be strong brother.
Be strong.
Macam kita cakap-cakap selalu dan di podcast kamu pun selalu cakap juga, kita akan mati. Reza pun selalu cakap, but it is the thing lah. Banyak orang cakap mati itu betul, memang benar, tapi are you ready about it or not gitu.
When?
So
that's the problem.
kita yang sama ada kita ready tidak, bagi saya hopefully we are all ready. Cuma yang orang ditinggalkan tu yang ada orang ready untuk terima the hakikat yang their loved one sudah tiada.
Because you have to live with it.
Yes.
And you have to try and let it go, but then
It's very hard because I've been
everything's
through
good
7 years ago. I lost my father. Memang my hardest moment lah. Up until now saya rasa my father masih ada sama with me.
Sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah, man. Anyway, be strong brother.
Be strong,
Kami
man.
Kinabalu Podcast mengucapkan takziah setinggi-tinggi, penuh takzim untuk heartfelt lah daripada
Yes.
Sabah ni untuk Raja Razi.
Deep from our hearts, bro.
Alright, juga kita ingin juga mengucapkan salam takziah kepada Tun Sakaran, passed away this morning juga.
Yes, our former TYT kan?
Yes, former TYT, former CM
TYT.
of Sabah juga.
Yes.
Tun Sakaran. Juga kepada
Salam takziah.
Datuk Lajim Ukin,
Yes.
juga pass away
In the same week.
same week.
Kan?
I think Lajim is Datuk Lajim. I think yesterday was it?
Datuk
Ataupun-
Lajim yesterday evening.
Yeah, yesterday evening.
And then
Tun Sakaran tadi
Tun Sakaran tadi
pagi.
pagi, ya.
As juga Raja Razi juga dia he texted me this morning 4:20 AM
Oh damn.
telling me that the father already passed away. The same message he forwarded to Zah. I've seen the Insta stories.
I see.
Oh man,
Oh, heartbreaking lah.
great loss lah. For me, Tun Sakaran have been very good leader dulu. I mean presenting Sabah in the wide, I mean di Malaysia lah. Banyak orang kita perlukan orang yang mempertengahkan Sabah, terutama di parlimen,
Defending our rights.
memperjuangkan our rights gitulah kan.
Betul.
So
One of
salam
the-
takziah kepada keluarga.
Yeah, salam takziah juga.
May his
We
soul
lost-
rest in peace. Yeah.
Yeah, we lost a really great leader.
Mm-hmm.
Leaders.
Yeah.
Two of them.
Leaders. 3 of them, Bapa Raja Razi.
Yes,
kan?
3 of
Yeah.
them. 3 of them. sorry.
Okay. Wow, Ronaldo.
Went home.
Oh, yes.
He is home.
Back home.
Yeah, he played
Kalau
with
dalam bahasa Melayu, kembali ke rumah. It sounded so
return to home. Itu macam
buruk kok. Kalau dalam dia jadi Melayu jadi bilang sudah kan. Ronaldo balik rumah. Dia macam kalau orang salah baca dia macam Ronaldo balik kau rumah. Ha?
Use bunch of paparazzi stalkers lah. Dia balik rumah pun tahu lah bukan lah.
Well, Wow, man.
Came back
I'm
to
a great
MU.
MU fan, man. Saya lahir saya pakai jersey MU.
Wow.
Si Kenny dia pakai baju macam-macam. Sebab dia tidak
Yeah,
spesifik.
I like MU way back when David Beckham is around.
No, Ronaldo's there. What? Mana?
Itulah, but
You
back-
can love MU back.
Yeah, okay.
You don't go for Liverpool or MC, yeah? Oh, I see. Faizal MC, yeah? Faizal
MC Faizal lah.
Well, it's a great comeback lah for me. I think he got very much of respect juga kepada MU. That's why dia ada rumors yang mengatakan dia akan pergi MC. But then last pergi MU.
Back to where he
So
belongs.
meaning to say is like macam kalau kau masuk pergi MC kau akan berlawan dengan MU, which is yang bawa kau naik, you know, MU yang kasih build up his credibility, his talent and his skills and everything lah, membawa naik nama dia lah, kan.
I guess he doesn't feel right also lah kan going to anywhere. So
But,
dia balik roots
but
dia
orang
juga
yang
lah.
orang yang tidak berapa minat bola, kita cakap bola nanti orang boring. So kita tukarlah tajuk kita. We gonna talk about today
Interesting stuff.
We are going to talk specifically about Singapore.
Yeah.
Since kita ada pendengar Singapore, because kita pernah buat ni dulu, kita pernah bercakap tentang Malaysia Indonesia. You remember the episode?
True. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, because of kita masa tu ada listeners terbanyak daripada Indonesia, nombor 3 last time.
Yep.
Now Singapore naik after pergi nombor 3.
Sebab kita ada cover Okay Let's Go.
Because of Okay Let's Go juga, thank you very much lah Raja Razi.
Diorang ada shout out balik
and
jangan.
juga Zah. They shout out on live and all. We are going to talk about Singapore, but before that, we are going to check kita punya info-info yang berlaku di sekitar kita lah.
Let's see if there's any WTF ones macam yang previous.
Ada. Ini,
Oh shit lah.
Ini seriously fucked up.
Okay,
I'm gonna
okay.
tell you, and you're gonna laugh your lungs out lah.
Okay. I tell you guys, whenever Ricardo do this kan, I never read. Before sebelum dia sebut so I never read So this is my real reaction.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So,
okay.
if this is your real reaction, real erection, what?
What?
Real. Tengok kau semua sebut lagi balik. If this is your real erection, tengok see.
What?
If this is your real reaction,
Okay.
I'm gonna read the headline. Lelaki maut selepas letak gam pada zakar.
Bodohnya, what?
Have you read about it?
No.
Kau dah baca kan ni? Okay.
Why?
Okay, di Gujarat, India, okay.
India lagi.
Yeah. Dia ni kan bersama dia punya loved one sangat
Hornya.
dia orang sangat sudah.
So
dia cannot
taksub.
wait sudah. So they cannot find tu plastik yang nipis tu.
Sialah.
So tu lelaki macam
bodohnya.
dia jumpa gam gajah, dia gam hujung dia.
Why?
Dia
Why you think this is like instant condom, is it?
I didn't say the word.
What the heck, man?
And the
Okay.
guy died, okay?
The gam gajah kan?
Lelaki maut dia bilang kan. So dia actually maut.
Oh shit.
Menempah dia. Okay, let me read a little lah. Tindakan seorang lelaki menutup bahagian hujung alat sulitnya menggunakan gam kuat berakhir dengan tragedi selepas perbuatan menyebabkan dia meninggal dunia. Lapor akhbar Daily Star semalam. Salman Mirza 25 yang menempah sebuah bilik hotel bersama tunangnya tersedar dia terlupa membawa kondom sebelum melakukan hubungan seks. Pasangan dari Fateh Wadi Ahmedabad itu Ahmedabad itu kemudian menggunakan gam kuat untuk menutup alat sulit Salman sebagai langkah mencegah kehamilan.
What?
Menutup dia tu kan ada apostrofi lagi.
Kau nak boleh tunggu kah?
Can
Pergi turun kah? Pergi 7-Eleven kah?
This cannot wait one.
Baby, I want to do it right now.
Okay, ketika pemeriksaan forensik dijalankan, Salman didapati meninggal dunia akibat kaedah pencegahan kehamilan yang dibuatnya itu.
Shit.
So dia mungkin I don't know how he died.
Oh man, sad death lah this. Susah lah.
There is ada orang di Penang ni.
Okay.
Dorang ni adik-beradik jual macam pandemik ni kan susah, so dorang jual fighting fish.
Fighting fish. Oh, beta.
Beta, yeah.
Beta fish.
Dorang terkejut bila dorang ber-SMS tu sebenarnya dorang berchat sama Tun Mahathir.
Oh yeah.
Mahathir yang beli.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Dia peminat fish ah.
Yes, dia macam kononnya dia dia check tu alamat. Alamat ni macam saya kenal. Ya, betul lah dia bilang. terkejut orang.
Wow.
It's actually for the XPM kita Tun Mahathir. Semoga panjang umur Tun Mahathir, sekarang sudah 90 lebih ya.
Yeah, 90s. Oh, yeah.
96 sudah kali dia because dia naik Perdana Menteri tu 93.
The nation's grandpa.
Yeah.
Long live
Tun M.
Tun M.
Ini lagi baru ni. 4 tahun kenal di WeChat teman wanita lelaki ini. Rupanya makcik berusia 46 tahun.
What the heck?
Ini dia kenal di WeChat cerita dia.
Okay.
So dia kenal di WeChat bernama Zhu, XU. Macam mana mau pronounce tu kalau China?
Zhu XU.
Zhu.
So Chinese
Chinese. This is in China.
Zhu Su.
Zhu, so I don't know lah.
Shi.
Apa pun tak tahu lah.
Zhu,
Tapi Zhu lah. So
Zhu,
bukan
babi.
ZOO ah. So what happened? Man. Dia berchat-chat, konon berkenal daripada macam pakaian terpakai punya business. Masa berchat-chat, gambar dia pun yang cantik lah konon dalam tu. Jadi bila dia sudah macam bercinta lah dong melalui WeChat, berchat-chat pun suara pun kadang-kadang call WeChat pun sama. Macam ni na gitu lah.
我是
Lepas tu sudah begitu, dia macam keluarga dia ni suruh kahwin. Kalau keluarga ni lelaki suruh kahwin, kamu mesti mau kahwin, dia bilang. Kalau kau tidak calon, jangan kasih cari calon. Dia tak mau. Dia sedih, dia sambut, dia macam mau bunuh diri. Dia lari, dia mau cari bunuh diri semua. Last dia bagus aku cari tu perempuan yang aku chat selalu, dia bilang.
So before this dia belum pernah jumpa lagi.
Belum, 4 years.
What the heck?
So dalam 2 years ni, dalam 2 years ni, dia orang tak pernah jumpa. Satu kali dia berniat, dia bilang saya mesti pergi jumpa lah. Dia pergilah 500 kilometer kan, dia bilang dalam 6 jam punya perjalanan, 7 jam perjalanan lah.
Oh damn.
Dia pergilah I don't know Wuhan or I don't know where. Tapi somewhere in China juga. So dia cari dia jumpa. Dia stay sana berbulan-bulan, dia cari tak jumpa.
Bulan ya?
Ya, so dia balik pergi kampung. Lepas tu dia masih lagi orang family dia paksa-paksa dia mau kahwin lah konon. Lepas tu dia lari lagi, dia dapat dia pergi cari 2016 sudah cari, dia balik 2018 dia pergi cari lagi balik.
Shit, 2 years.
Ya. Sampai sana dia jumpa, actually first trip dia jumpa satu makcik lah. Ini makcik bilang begini. Actually itu saya punya anak buah, dia bilang makcik. So tapi kami pun lama tidak jumpa, dia bilang. Second time tu dia jumpa lagi makcik tu. Dia bilang makcik tu bagus kau tinggal sama saya, dia bilang, sementara tunggu saya punya anak buah. Jadi tinggal sana, dia anggap macam anak buah dia apa semua, cek satu hari tu makcik dia minta tolong tukar profile picture lah, one of dia punya di phone lah begitu.
Oh shit.
Kantoy. That is the makcik itulah yang Zhu.
Oh shit man. This is catfish on another level lah ni. Gila lah. So the makcik how she look like, young ah?
Oh, you're 46 years old.
Old. Memang old grandma lah.
Old.
Got picture.
Okay, you guys cannot see the picture. This is the picture from the WeChat lah. Tapi
looks young if you guys don't know.
The picture in the 46-year-old is this one. Kena blur lah.
Tua lah sial. Lain lah muka dia asyik. Hell no man. Guys, this is
shit man.
If you're playing with WeChat or MeChat or whatever chat you guys be careful. There's a lot of catfish out there. Matilah. Jangan letakkan harapan di dalam.
And then kita continue with that story. Don't put so much hope yang sampai kau mau kahwin begitulah. Banyak sudah kita pernah cover info-info sebelum ni pun kan.
Itu juga kan.
Same thing. So dia pergi buat report polis. Ya, kena tangkap lah dia makcik ni. Lepas tu kena check phone dia, rupanya ada a few anak-anak ikan yang yang dia
so it's a ceti anak ikan.
So dalam perjalanan perkahwinan dorang tu, konon dorang mau berkahwin tu, dia sudah transfer duit sama ni perempuan.
How much?
Banyak. Dia sudah transfer untuk perkahwinan dorang, konon persediaan untuk perkahwinan. Rupanya tu makcik sudah guna tu duit. Tiada sudah tu duit habis.
Itulah nak jumpa dulu ni. Otak pun satu. Marah.
Something happened di Ranau baru-baru ni. Polis tahan suami isteri ceroboh IP di Ranau.
Ya paham tu.
Saya belum baca, tapi diorang yang saya tahu diorang Wira, diorang pergi pintu kaca tu bangunan, diorang pergi langgar begitu. Tapi cek macam positif lah diorang.
Oh ya macam positif dada kan?
Bukan lagi macam, memang positif.
Makan benda.
Perempuan tu 27 tahun, tu lelaki 33 tahun mendapati hanya suspek lelaki. Lelaki siapa positif dah.
So
Something they don't lah, mungkin pasal merentas daerah kah, apakah I don't know.
So the isteri pun ikut tangkap sekali.
Probably. Mestilah sebab terlibat sama-sama kan.
Oh shit.
Tahniah Singapura, akhirnya PM ataupun dorang punya PM pula, President of Singapore sudah mengiyakan dan membolehkan jururawat muslimah memakai tudung.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ada saya tengok.
Alhamdulillah. Syukur.
Yeah.
Syukur sudah. I think
more freedom in the
yeah,
religion.
Yeah, which is because for me, I know it been run by Chinese, tapi this by history actually memang banyak Melayu di situ, so banyak meaning banyak Muslim lah kan.
That's true.
So I think that is the best way to respect each other, to have like macam harmony lah.
Yeah.
Kan?
To be rational in your religious thinking.
Yeah. Perdana Menteri, Presiden pula saya cakap tadi.
Yeah, you said President.
Actually Perdana Menteri Singapore, Lee Hsien Loong.
Lee Hsien Loong.
Dia berucap, I admire him actually. Even the father juga saya admire. Actually saya sangat teruja apabila dia berucap, because dia berucap dalam bahasa Melayu yang sangat lurus.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I never hear.
Yeah, you can watch on YouTube. Dia berucap sangat lurus sebenarnya.
Oh, I'll check it out.
Yeah. Dan maksud dia, walaupun dia Chinese tapi dia cakap sangat lurus dia punya bahasa Melayu. That is the much more respect yang we can have, man.
Inspiring.
So tahniah.
This is a great step for Singapore.
Sabah direhatkan, Kurniawan direhatkan. Sabah FC kalah sebab UiTM 4-0.
4-0. Wow, I heard 5-0. It's not.
Yeah, I thought 5-0 juga. 4-0.
4-0.
Saya tidak tengok pun sebab I kind of like macam
demotivated
sedikit macam sedikit jugalah.
What's going on? It's macam landslide lah diorang ni sekarang.
Diorang okay, awal-awal tu kalah seri, menang seri, kalah pun dah besar ni. 4-0 is like, sebelum ni pun diorang kalah 1-0 saja. Sama UiTM paling bawah tau Liga Super.
Oh man.
So itulah.
Nice, ouch.
They need to get one more point if I'm mistaken to kekal di dalam Liga Super. Dan tahniah kepada JDT sebab JDT sudah juara.
Wow. Tahniah. JDT from Johor.
Are we enough of this lah kan? See, because kita sudah another 7 minutes left.
Man.
We can continue to part 2, no problem bah.
Okay.
Kan?
Kita
Let's talk about Singapore, guys.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Singapore. Kalau kami salah, maafkan kami pendengar-pendengar dan peminat-peminat lah podcast.
Thank
in
you
general.
to all our fans.
Kalau kamu dengar di Singapore, thank you very much. I admire Singapore sebenarnya. Ken, kalau saya mau cerita pasal Singapore ni, I've been a few times in Singapore.
How many times you been to?
Saya dapat kira sebab saya pernah wakil Malaysia untuk pertandingan kesenian in Singapore. I think it's National University of Singapore, I think, and in US. Singapore. Yeah, in US, if I'm not mistaken.
NUS. Oh.
If I'm not mistaken lah, kalau saya tak silap. Tapi one of the biggest university sana lah, saya pernah wakil sana. Saya waktu tu pakai cawat saja.
What?
Ya, cawat yang daripada Tenem tu. Saya main gong masa tu. We representing tarian daripada Sabah lah, daripada Malaysia, Sabah lah. So waktu tu ada penari, ada orang main tanggungak, everything. Tapi saya main gong.
Pemain gong.
Saya main gong, 2 gongs lah, gitulah. Tangan lah, like that. So saya perform sana itu I think beberapa kali saya pergi. Sebab during our time masa kami stay in US dulu, if you're travelling international, like far keluar daripada Malaysia, it is like a must for you to,
it's like a
transit and change kapal yang lebih sesuai untuk perjalanan jauh di Singapore. Changi, yes.
Changi Airport.
So kau pergi Changi and then kau akan tukar kepada Singapore Airlines untuk pergi international punya. Last time, yes.
Oh, like that
So
sekarang ni Dubai.
So Dubai kau beli direct daripada Malaysia. Mungkin Malaysia ada kapal-kapal yang sudah sudah untuk pergi international. Dan juga ada juga yang melalui Singapore kalau diorang perlu, I think banyak sekarang transit because bukan ramai sudah orang travel kan. So diorang untuk kasih muat orang, diorang singgah-singgah mana-mana yang patut lah. Kan? So during the time 4 tahun di US, kami asal balik mesti pergi Singapore, mesti singgah di Singapore. So we stayed a few nights begitu, transit begitulah.
That was way back.
Way back 80s lah.
Wow.
Late 80s. Lepas tu me and my wife went there. Kalau terkini adalah 2018.
2018.
We went there 2018, ujung 2018 atau November if I'm mistaken, during school break. We went to Sentosa. Sentosa where the USS, Universal Studio of Singapore.
Wow.
So we went there.
How many weeks were you there?
Not weeks, I think 5 days and 4 nights if I'm
5
mistaken.
days, 4 nights.
Yeah. So saya stay pun memang area Sentosa. We want to be close, kira dekat sama USS.
Best lah USS.
Oh best lah, memang best lah. Theme park. Saya susah mau cakap sebab pendengar kita dari Singapore. Boring lah, dia bilang. Not boring lah, macam dorang sudah puas lah.
I've seen that always.
Yeah. Well, what you guys need to know, di Sabah tiada theme park.
We don't have any.
Di Sabah tiada theme park yang sebesar dan segah itu. Actually macam tiada theme park kita sebenarnya.
No, one is coming soon though, but
the one in Ranau kan, yang dorang buat di tepi lereng tu kan. Tapi tak pernah siap-siap pun sampai sekarang. I don't know what happened, but
no, another one.
Another one where?
I don't know where. Kulu.
Di Kulu.
New one. They
So
call it Jurassic Land.
Oh,
I don't know lah.
actually ada tu di, I think somewhere there juga apa Putatan yang water park, tapi tapi anu lah, it's very small lah.
It's very small.
It's very small lah. It's
disappointing lah.
That's what we need lah sebenarnya, theme park. Because by having a theme park, if you are listening to me, to us lah ni para orang-orang besar di Sabah lah, YB Oda tu. Why we need a theme park?
We are stressed.
Itu skinny lah. By having that, kita akan banyak peluang pekerjaan.
Yes, it boosts the economy.
Maybe ribu. Kita akan buat peluang kepada kontraktor-kontraktor juga.
True.
It will boost kita punya tourism juga. See?
Me for now, for the pandemic,
Indo ataupun outdoor. Maksud saya yang local ataupun yang foreign punya apa ni, tourist.
True.
Yeah.
Itulah.
So buatlah satu.
Yeah.
Legoland kah, whatever lah. Planet
Legoland.
Hollywood kah.
Disneyland kah?
Hmm.
Jangan yang anu lah, rip-off-nya lah.
Well, okay. So we went there. Lepas tu saya sempat pergi Bugis Street. Saya sempat pergi Merlion, dia orang panggil tu, yang ada singa yang keluar air di mulut dia.
Right. Yeah.
Belakang tu
That's a landmark, man.
Ya, landmark. Dia orang bilang kalau kau nak sampai Singapura, kalau kau nak pergi Merlion,
That is not sah lah.
tidak sah kalau
Tidak
kau pergi.
sah kalau
Yeah,
kita pergi
so
sana lah.
we went there and sempat bergambar-gambar, buat konon air keluar di tangan lah, macam-macam lah,
Yes.
pose with my wife. At the back, you can see the, what do they call that? The hotel yang ada macam ada ferry besar tu, cruise besar on top of the hotel tu bersambung.
I have no idea.
Ada you don't know, you got the picture, you don't get the picture.
I don't get.
Have you watched
No.
you didn't watch this movie? What is that? Asia blah 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 blah.
Crazy Rich.
Yeah,
Asian.
Crazy Rich Asians.
I haven't.
Aduh,
Yeah.
takkan kau dah tahu mercu tanda Singapura. Saya pun dah tahu sebab saya tanya kau. Well, okay, I forgot the name of it. Tapi at the back tu ada itulah.
Let us know.
Let us know. I'm gonna Google right now. Ndak bersiok lah kalau ndak tahu kan. Mesti kamu sudah cakap ni sekarang. Itu Ricardo, itu maksudnya Singapore.
You
Okay.
must be shouting right now. Wow, come you don't know.
Okay. Alamak, Ken. Dia macam ada cruise di atas dia. This one, on top dia ada ni. This one.
Trying to load it. Oh, this one.
This one mana?
What you call? What's
They
it
call it
called?
Singapore on Thames. What do you call that? Man.
Singapura Sand Sky Park.
Yeah, Sky Park, right, Sky Park. Yes, Sky Park.
This is what it is called.
Yes. So, di belakang tu ada itulah.
With the Merlion.
The Merlion tu ada di depan, lepas tu belakang tu ada itu as a background lah kalau kau bergambar di situ.
Mermaid Lion.
Huh? So yeah, because it's not like a mermaid tapi lion kan, so Merlion lah orang panggil. I think so. I don't know the history of that, but we do know, remember yang Singapura dilanggar todak. Kau pernah tengok tu? Pernah you read about it? The story about Singapura dilanggar todak?
I think I heard about it.
Wow,
Way
sejarah
back
tu,
lah.
yeah, sejarah.
Way back ni tu.
It's about a story of a boy who been killed by the Sultan. Because dia bagi idea untuk macam mana. So one day ni kan todak melanggar Singapura bah. A lot of todak melanggar naik piano. So, banyak orang mati tercucuk dia lompat pergi atas kan. Lepas tu budak tu bagi idea, dia bilang, kamu ambillah pisang, dia bilang.
Put batang pisang buat wall ni tu
Yeah.
kan.
So todak semua tercucuk sana, dong potong lah tu todak, matilah tu todak, orang dapat selamatkan lah begitu. Tapi bila something happen, I don't know what is the history sudah. tu raja bilang dia rasa tergugat. Tu sultan rasa tergugat ni kalau budak ni besar jadi pandai dia akan kalah saya ni. Lebih kurang gitulah.
Okay.
So dia bunuh tu budak.
Shit.
That is the history. We don't know. Jangan kalau kami salah betulkan kami. You can DM us on our Instagram, Kinabalu Podcast.
Straight away.
Can what else? Messenger us on
Messenger us,
Facebook,
email us,
email us, all on TikTok us, YouTube, all on Kinabalu Podcast lah. Cari
except for
sejak.
Twitter.
Alright, Ken, kau mau cerita sikit pasal Singapore? Kau pernah pergi Singapore, Ken?
No, I haven't
You
been.
never been to Singapore.
You
So
never
kau
been.
punya international flight selalu kau tidak akan singgah sana lah.
No.
Okay.
Mostly I singgah in Dubai or the latest one di Bayun lah.
Okay.
I think some of the interesting facts yang saya tahu pasal Singapore ni kan, their nightlife is one of a kind. They have nighttime punya zoo, first in the world.
Yeah, night safari they call it.
Night safari.
Yeah, I think
And-
I've been there.
You been there? How was it? Was it fun?
It was fun.
It was fun,
Singa sebelah kau apa semua.
At night.
Yeah, because during our trip yang wakil Malaysia tu, kami the whole orang Malaysia ni adalah kena bawa pergi sana juga. It's not only Malaysian tau, it's actually international. So kami ada juga pergilah. Kena bagi trip to go there lah.
Ooh, interesting.
Night safari kan.
And then another night thing. Apa ni?
Jurong Bird Park.
Jurong Bird Park. Jurong Bird Park. How was it?
Oh, saya pergi masa saya kecil lagi. So I don't remember sudah.
Oh, you don't remember the
Yeah.
birds?
I don't remember the birds.
Okay.
What I can remember is Big Bird from Sesame Street. Nama, okay.
Okay.
So carry on, Ken. What
Next
is your
one
finding
is
about Singapore?
Formula One in Singapore.
Oh.
One of the most spectacular attraction in Singapore lah.
Okay.
During dorang punya Singapore
GP
Grand Prix.
lah. Okay,
GP.
Grand Prix. Okay.
It's the only night race.
Oh, yang ada sebelum malam ah?
It's the
Wow.
only night race in the world. Yeah, one of the most interesting lah. Because I'm an F1 fan, so this fact appeals.
So kalau
to
kau
me.
F1 fan, kau adalah Petronas, Sobo Petronas. Kita bukan Sobo Petronas sudah. Apa sudah Petronas sekarang? Malaysian?
Mercedes.
Mercedes Petronas kan?
No, I don't like Mercedes.
Tapi itu Malaysia punya.
Yeah.
Macam mana?
I support the.
Number one tau?
Yeah. Dropping down.
Who's the name is Lewis? Was that?
Lewis Hamilton.
Lewis Hamilton,
and
kan?
Valtteri Bottas. Next up and coming is Max Verstappen.
From Italy.
From
France.
He's from Germany.
Germany. Okay.
Yeah. Red
Okay.
Bull Honda.
Okay. Anything else? Anything exciting about Singapore?
Can I talk about the language?
Yeah.
They have 27 words from Singlish in Oxford Dictionary.
Wow.
Yes.
That is a fun fact.
That's a fun fact.
Fun fact, oh.
Since I'm an English teacher, I say okay.
So one of it.
Okay, wait.
Dia kena apa ni
dimasukkan,
diiktirafkan oleh Oxford punya kamus.
Yes.
Wow.
One of it is
Derek.
No.
Pauto.
Pauto. No. HDB.
HDB, okay.
HDB.
Itu is singkatan kan HDB?
Yeah, HDB is singkatan. Okay, let me read. First one. First one is Angmo.
Okay.
Angmo, you know right? Orang putih kan?
Orang putih, okay.
Light skin person.
Okay.
It's in there as a noun.
Oh,
Second
ada
one,
noun dia lagi.
Yeah.
Alright.
Second one is blur.
BLUR.
BLUR. I'm blur.
It's Singlish, ah?
It's Singlish because it is being used as a noun.
Oh.
Because blur usually they use it as a
dia
verb.
adalah kegiatan. Dia adalah perbuatan kan?
Perbuatan or something appears verb. Apa ni?
Oh, blurry.
Blur.
Something
You
yang
call that an adverb.
okay.
So blur means like
English
I
teacher
don't
are
know
talking
lah.
right now. English teacher are talking right now.
Char siu.
Okay.
Char siu. You all know lah char siu.
Okay.
Chili crab also inside.
Wow.
Chili crab.
Masuk juga. Okay,
Masuk.
carry on. This is interesting.
Chinese helicopter. Okay, this one I need to read. What is Chinese helicopter? Derogatory. Is it not good? Not a good word.
Why?
A Singaporean whose schooling was conducted in Mandarin Chinese and who has limited knowledge of English.
Oh, what they call it? They call it what?
Chinese helicopter.
Oh. It is only for the Chinese lah.
Only for the Chinese.
Okay.
So if he is not really good in English and
Uh-huh.
he's a Chinese, they call him Chinese helicopter, which is not a good word.
I never heard dorang Za or Dino.
I-
Cakap pasal ni kan?
I don't know. Please
Okay.
correct me on this, guys.
Okay.
I found this on the internet.
Alright.
Next one is hawker center.
Okay.
Hawker center is a thing there.
Ya, tempat makan-makan lah, tempat masak-masak makan terus kan.
Yeah. And HDB, Housing and Development Board. It's very specific to Singapore lah. And then we have killer litter. Killer, pembunuh litter pembuang sampah.
Wow.
Or
Okay.
objects thrown or falling from high-rise building, endangering people below.
Apa dia panggil?
Killer litter. So
Killer litter.
kalau kau
I
buang
know why it happens. Sebab diorang kebanyakan sana tiada land.
high-rise kan.
So diorang semua yang tinggi flat or apartment. So banyak orang buang dari atas terus maybe I don't know.
Oh, it happened before probably kan.
Ya, sebab di sini pun ada buat begitu. Tapi I've seen one of the cleaners sini di my kakak ipar punya rumah lah di Kinarut.
Okay.
They are very awesome. They very bullseye shit punya.
Oh, see.
Dari atas dorang menyapu sampah, dorang taruh di luar apa semua kan. During habis sudah semua dorang round yang floor paling atas.
Okay.
Dorang pergi balcony tu dorang kasi vup jatuh siapa bawah.
So
Tapi ngam di tong sampah, brup dia bilang masuk.
shit.
Campin sial. Lepas tu second floor begitu, third floor, semua ngam.
Boleh masuk
Jadi dia
Olympics
dapat
ya.
angkat-angkat, bawa turun tangga. Like
Oh,
that.
easy job lah.
Yes, Ken. Before you continue, we gonna take a short break. We come back kita akan balik di part yang kedua, talk
Yeah.
about Singapore.
We
Okay.
will come back soon.
Yeah. Stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.